What are they doing to this road? Damn. Listen to them pops, gang. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video. Oh my God. Yeah, I think my neighbors probably hate me, bro. Let me give y'all some sounds real quick. Oh my God, I love the scenery right now though. Listen to them shifts. Oh my God. What's good with y'all boys though, man? Back with another chill little POV for y'all boys. I'm on my way to go meet that boy Christian right now. About to go do some flybys and shit right now. It's kind of a bad day to do flybys, but I need a new wiper blade. This shit ass. This poor little drink can't even keep up, bro. Oh my God. How y'all boys feeling on this lovely day, man? If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 2K subs right now. Wait, do I gotta fix this? It's kind of fucking lean. I think this is my first time doing a rainy POV. It's not even raining, it's raining a little bit. So the whole time I'm recording, I didn't have my camera ultra wide, man. Oh my God. That shit's so annoying. But yeah, I'm finna pull up to this Amazon warehouse right now. My boy Christian out here waiting for me. This whole time I'm recording, I didn't have my camera ultra wide. That shit pissed me off, I ain't gonna lie. So now I gotta rewatch the intro and see if it's messed up or not. Yo, my window look mad dirty, bro. That boy outside, man. Oh my God. I'm probably not even recording. Knowing me. I'm so annoyed right now. I was recording, my shit wasn't ultra wide. They finna kick us out, bro. We finna leave anyway. Lead the way, motherfucker. And don't leave me. What the hell was that? Yo. Oh, it's crazy, chat. He don't even got an exhaust on there. He just got a res delete. Like I said, man, we finna head down here. We gonna try to do some flybys so y'all can hear the cars and shit. But it's wet out right now. We not gonna try to do nothing crazy though. My phone hooked up over here in case I need to see. In case I need to see the angles. Pause. Car sounds so good, bro. And my window's not even down. Niggas are just vibing right now. Hey, man. If you're in the market for a B58 right now, go get it. I'm always saying this to y'all. I know somebody's probably in your ear saying, don't get a BMW, they're unreliable. Go get the B58, bro. They just talking. Where he going? Shit. God damn. Them echoes is crazy, chat. Nice duck, my boy. Just listen to the downshifts though. Yo. What are they doing to this road? Yo, this nigga finna get us kicked out of here. That shit's tough. Hey, which one of y'all was saying I always got a bev in my car, man? Y'all always gotta have a bev in the wheel. Y'all just gonna have to look at my face right now, bro. Cause that shit is getting annoying on my head. Pause. It's mad sounds though, it's mad sounds. It's a lot of buildings. What the hell sounds like that? Listen to them sounds, man. Go get that B58, nigga. I'm not even gonna do no talking. Y'all just listen, man. It's just pure, it's just mad sounds. Hopefully we don't get kicked out of here, man. This shit is punching right now. I don't know if it's cold or what, but these burbles sound different right now. Let's listen to the downshifts. I gotta tell this nigga pull over or something. We gonna do some pulls back here. I gotta tell this nigga pull over. I'm trying to set my tripod up. You think they gonna call the cops? Why is my fucking lights off? Shit pissed me off, bro. Bro, I like seeing the cars in like this type of weather. That shit tough.
Even if they dirty, they look clean.
They look clean and shit. Blue DRL shit. Stop playing. But it's a nice road to do digs at. Fuck you talking. This is the best road to do a dig at. Listen to that B58, boy. I'm about to put some videos up right now. Flybys right now, you feel me? Pure B58 sounds, nigga. Stop playing. Hopefully we don't get pulled over, but fuck it. We outside. Oh my God! Oh my God!
No color grade, let's rush them over.
Chat, we about to dip right now. We just did some pulls and shit. Thank God we didn't get pulled over, man. Ooh, Lily, 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 Lily. Mwah, 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 mwah. I got enough content for y'all boys for the day. So right now we're finna go back to the Amazon, kick it, wait for my boy Kels to pull up. Man, hit that like, comment, subscribe. If y'all wanna hear more crazy B58 sounds and shit. You know what I'm saying? Damn, all these loud ass cars behind me, man. And we gonna catch y'all boys in the next vlog, man.